Hi, my name is Mike Burgos. I want to welcome you to this video. Either I referred to this video or somebody else did refer to this video, but let's get straight to the point. A year and 6 months ago, my credit score was very low, 497, very bad. I ran into this information, changed my life completely. Within my first 60 days, this program actually helped me rebuild my credit to the point where I was able to actually move into a new apartment. I was able to get better credit card, as a matter of fact, credit card with high limits. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what has changed my life. That is same exact program that helped me rebuild my credit score. So the name of the company is called Financial Education Services. We've been around since 2004, A+ on the BBB. Now, when the company is A+ on the BBB, obviously we're doing something right. Can we agree? Now, if you think about it, America revolves around credit. Without credit, you don't have any credibility. Think about it. To finance a car, what do you need? Credit, right? If you want to finance a mortgage, what do you need? Actually, credit. So in order for you to get approved for a credit card, you need credit. Therefore, no credit, no credibility. Over 61 million Americans have less than perfect credit. And think about how many people going to college with less than perfect credit. How many people going to college accruing more debt? Student loans. How many people graduating from college don't even know how they're actually going to pay off their student loans? These people come into the marketplace have no idea on how to actually build positive credit and positive trade lines. Therefore, we have a huge problem in the economy. This is where we come in as financial education services to educate the mass on how to actually increase their credit score and the power of credit. Now, the process is very simple. We leverage the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, to actually dispute all negative items on the credit report. It's a 45 to 90-day process before you see results. The beautiful thing about our program is the fact that we have credit attorney on file. These are professionals. Here's one thing I learned from my mentor. He said, Mike, if you are so good at getting your haircut, why do you go to the barber, right? Because the barber is a professional, his haircut is gonna be much nicer than yours. I can actually cut my own hair, but I'm not gonna look as nice, in comparison to the barber. The barber is a professional, just like a lawyer, right? But guess what? You hire a lawyer because he's a professional. That's the edge that we have against a lot of other companies. So 45 to 90 days for you to see major result. Again, you're gonna receive the letters. All you have to do is send the letters away to the credit bureaus. The credit bureaus have 30 days to actually respond back to you. With that being said, it's a very simple process. Once you get started, you don't even have to do any work. Now, let me go over other services that we have within the program. We talk about credit repair, but a service that I'm very passionate about is LifeLock. Think about it. You doing business with a company, you're gonna send your information. You wanna make sure the company is solid, right? So the fact that we partner with the #1 identity protection program in the whole entire nation, which is LifeLock. So once you get started with us, your information is fully protected. Your social is fully protected. Think about that. The only thing that you're working for is your last name. So you wanna make sure that's protected, right? So LifeLock is gonna do a very fair, great job. If anything happened to your ID, if anything happened to your wallet, where you lost your wallet, you're fully protected by us. Another service that I really love is the Debt Zero program. It allows you to pay down your debt much faster. You put everything into a basket, you know where you're going. If you know where you're going, you can get there much faster. Can we agree? Now, another service that I want to talk about is a smart credit. I'm in love with this service. Why? Because it gives you the ability to actually see your credit score, the fluctuation of your credit score for 24/7. You can check your credit score, you get notification, you see everything that's happening. I'm talking about the True Credit Score, okay, and a True Credit Report. So it's an app, you're gonna download the app, you have access 24/7. It's actually free with no additional cost. With that being said, we have other services. We're gonna give you discounts on medications, discounts on traveling as well. But one of the services that I'm really passionate about is you're also gonna get will, trust, and a power of attorney. Think about it. How many families work so hard to do a successful business but never have their kids as a beneficiary? Maybe the wife or the spouse as a beneficiary. Guess what? If something happened to you, guess what happened? All that business that you built for so long, everything that you have worked for goes to the trash can. Now your kids have to go to the probate system, right? So you don't want that to happen, but we're gonna protect you. So what we do overall, we fix your credit, we protect your identity, and we show you exactly how to pay down your debt so that we can be financially free. With that being said, how much you think that will cost you overall? I give you a lot for your money, right? So I talk about credit repair, we talk about LifeLock and other services, but guess what? If you were to put everything into one package, it's gonna cost you well over $400 every single month. I'm giving you over $10,000 in value if you really look at it, right? It's priceless. So to get started today, it's only 188 bucks the first month and then $89 per month. So $99 activation, $89 which is your first month, okay? So that's gonna be your first payment and then $89 per month. It's no contract. So you can, if the service is not working for you, feel free to get out. But I guarantee you're gonna be very satisfied with the service that we provide. So for those of you who are ready to get started today, I want you to click on this link below, get started. Aren't you tired of getting denied for that new car, for that new house? This is your time. Get started today. Click on this link below. I will see you on the inside.